Hey guys, how's it going? Kareem here from Sea Monkey Tribe, and we know how challenging and difficult it can be to launch a successful e-commerce site. It's what we do as an agency for a living every month, and we charge a pretty penny for it. It's why we've created this workshop that makes it a lot more affordable and gives you the ability to launch your e-commerce site and do it like an agency the first time around. So we're doing a workshop on November 26th for just 4 hours because I know how valuable time is, right? And the beautiful thing about this is there are things that took us weeks to figure out. I remember how long it took me to figure out the Facebook pixel thing. Weeks. And then there are things that took us months to figure out, and the handful of things took years to really nail down. All these things will be able to show you step by step how we do them in a very short period of time, because the Facebook pixel thing that took me weeks the first time takes me literally 5 minutes now. I mean, literally 5 minutes, probably even less. And you'll be able to just follow me step by step as we do that. In fact, I'm so confident in the fact that we can get you there. We're putting a guarantee behind this offer, right? Because we're going to be providing you the support that you need to get there. Not only for 4 hours on November 26th, but you get a one-on-one consultation call with a Shopify partner, either myself or someone from my team, depending on what it is that you want to discuss. Another week of WhatsApp chat support to address any issues that arise, and another 2 weeks of email chat, again, for anything that might come up at all. We want to make sure that you get there. Again, I'm putting a guarantee behind this, right? So I want to make sure that you actually launch. Otherwise, you get all your money back. So we've done this, guys, as an agency, and you get to do it like an agency. So it's going to be November 26th. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys there. Secure your seat now.